I have ALCATEL Pop 4, and let me show you how to clear browsing data on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's use the Chrome in my case. So let me clear the Chrome history. Let's use more key. Here you need to find and select the settings. So let me tap settings, scroll down, choose privacy right here, and here you should find clear browsing data. So let's tap it. Here you can clear the following data: the browsing history, cookies and site, cached images, save password, and also the autofill form data. So let me clear all of them, and you can choose if you would like to clear it for the last hour, or for example for the last week or last month, or you can use the beginning of time. In my case, let me use beginning of time, so let me clear all data from all my history. Let's choose clear data, and that's it. Everything went well. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.